Good morning and hello. Today I have a very special topic to talk about, and that is the sort of weird combination of AI and the restaurant industry. So, to start off, I'm going to start off with my original plans for this project. I wanted to make an AI that could make recipes. The recipes didn't have to work, they didn't have to be good. Um, they honestly didn't even have to have real words. I just wanted to make something that could make something. If I could get anything out of the GPT-2 system, then that would have been a success for me. The GPT-2 is a recent program that takes a bunch of texts and uses pre-made algorithms off of the internet, specifically from Reddit, and it can generate text that is similar but not the same as the text it was given. It finds patterns. Many people have used this for various things, such as making music or making pictures, and it's also been integrated with many apps. What I was trying to do was not new. Many people have tried to make AI recipes before, and they've all failed. I didn't think that I would be able, like, if a smart scientist couldn't do it, then there's no way I could do it. But you have to start somewhere. I never got it to work, sadly. I'm still not that good at programming. I tried my darndest, but nothing, nothing even came out. I'd set it up, but that's okay. I still learned a ton about data science and AI. So, let's talk about recipes. I actually have made a lot of recipes using other forms of AI that I've found. This is recipes I found using uh, AI Dungeon, and there's another one. It's called like something lib, and it was very similar to GPT-2, but less powerful. Um, I generated recipes like how to make stuffed crust pizza or how to make shrimp and how to make an ingredient. So, almost all these recipes were bad and rarely contained ingredients that were even food, but they all had the same recipe format. So, that was good. Um, a lot of them called for books and bottles. Some interesting things that I did notice were recipes like gluten-free lemonade and sugarless baked bread. The recipes actually followed the rules of the title and were sugar-free. This might have been a coincidence. I only got a few recipes that would say that, so I think that it would do it on purpose. I'm excited that it found any sort of pattern at all, but that was really cool for me. So, now we're going to make a recipe that I didn't make, an AI made, and we're gonna see how see how it works out, I guess. Hello, and welcome back to another terrific episode of Cooking with Jonah. Today we are going to be making an AI recipe. It is called crock pot cold water. So I'm excited for that. The first ingredient is two 4-ounce cans of water, and I always found that one 8-ounce can of water does it's basically the same trick. So we're gonna add that to the crock pot on high heat. And make sure you get the high quality canned water. Don't get none of that off-brand Walmart. Get the good stuff. The next ingredient is a half cup of cornstarch that we're just going to put into the water. Mmm. And to that mixture, we are then going to add a fourth of a cup of granulated sugar. And then, along with 3 tablespoons of baking powder. Yum. And we are now going to we're gonna whisk it until it's dissolved. We were getting a little reaction out of there. Oh man. So it's sort of come together to make this nice milky paste. The smell is beautiful. All right, and then once that's finished, we're gonna you're gonna want to add 3 tablespoons of vanilla, but I'm not a huge vanilla fan, so I'm only gonna put in 2 teaspoons. Oh man, I'm cracking up. I'm not even gonna make it through this. There we go. Add that. And then you're just gonna leave that to sit. The next ingredient is to place butter and lard into a small bowl. Butter and lard wasn't in the ingredients list, so we actually don't have any lard, so I'm gonna use butter flavored shortening. Place in a small bowl. Okay, I'm gonna do a tablespoon. That sounds around right. Oh, gross. There we go. And of course butter. I'm just gonna use the shortening again. There we go. There, that's looking tasty. And then we're going to whisk this into the starch mixture. Oh boy. Here we go. There you have it. I have censored it because this looks disgusting. I feel like I'd be doing a disservice if I didn't eat it. So I'm doing this for you guys. Okay. Best eaten fresh. Oh man. Let's get a small. Alright. Oh man. That is good. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Few notes. It's not cold. I guess that makes sense because we did cook it, but the title was cold water, so I was assuming it was cold. Oh man. That's a lot of cornstarch eaten raw there, and that lard tastes awful. But all in all, 0 out of 10 stars. 0 out of 10 stars. Oh boy. Alright, now let's talk about the future of what an AI can do. Imagine a world where everything is perfect. I know it's a weird thing to ask, but surprisingly, we're not far off. Want to know why everyone on TikTok can't get off the app and loves it so much? It's because of the AI. AI can find everything about you. AI can sometimes know more about you than your friends, your family, maybe even more than you know about yourself. And using this information, TikTok and Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, they know exactly what you love, and they'll give that to you so you'll spend more time on the app and looking at ads. This might sound a little freaky, and that's because it is, but it's too late to prevent something like this. This has already happened. This is what the future is. What we can do is use it for something better than just memes and something like that. Imagine having an AI that could tell you exactly what book to read perfectly every time, or being able to teach you perfectly in your most efficient learning style, or maybe even give you recipes made up on the spot that it knows you'll love and work perfectly with the ingredients that you have. That is our future. But perfection comes with a price, and that price is privacy. Sacrificing privacy for a little more perfect life, yeah, it's scary, but that's the future. Thank you.